Hello everyone, my name is Jessica Lemons. Today I will be discussing major skeletal muscles. I identified and located the skeletal muscles of each body region and described the actions of each muscle. The first muscle I'm going to discuss is going to be the frontalis, which is the muscle that raises the eyebrow. The picture to the right, it actually shows you exactly where it's located. Next is going to be the orbicularis aureus, which is the muscle that opens the mouth, and the orbicularis oculi is the muscle that actually closes the eye. And the picture both to the left and the right, the arrows is showing you exactly where they're located. Next is going to be the zygomaticus, which is the muscle that controls the facial expression. It makes the mouth angle upward and outward. And the masseter, which is a muscle that plays a major role of chewing solid foods. So it elevates the mandible when chewing. So where the arrow is pointing to the picture to the right is showing you exactly where it's located. Next is going to be the spinous group, which extends the neck, laterally flexes the head, rotates the vertebral column to that side. So where the arrow is pointing to the left, it shows you on that picture where it's located. And then the diaphragm, which compresses the abdominal pelvic cavity. Everything in the red is showing you on the picture to the right, showing you exactly where that's located. Next is the rectus abdominis, which depresses the rib. Compresses the abdominal cavity and flexes vertebral column. So the picture to the right is showing exactly where it's located as well for the muscle. Next is the levator. I want to say ani or ane. It flexes the coccus and the levator scapulae, which elevates the scapula. And the picture to the picture to the right where the red is located, we're showing you exactly where it's located on the skeletal. Moving along, we're getting to the deltoid, which is the abduction at the shoulders, and the supinator, which is actually showing the supination of the forearm, which is actually shown on a picture that actually just slid up. Sorry, you guys. Okay, so moving along is going to be the palmaris longus, which is the flexion at the wrist. It's showing you exactly where that muscle is located, which flexes the wrist when you want to move our wrist. It's showing you where the arrow is located to the picture to the left. And then we have the glutaris maximus, which is the extension and lateral of the rotation at the hip. It also extends and laterally rotates the thigh. So it abducts the hip. And where the two arrows is pointing to the left and to the right on the picture to the right, it's showing you exactly where it's located. Like right underneath where your buttocks is, but right underneath it is where the glutaris maximus is located. Nextly, it's going to be the bicep femoris, which actually, once it actually loads, is a flexion at the knee, which actually helps us bend our knee. Also, the soleus, which is a flexion at the ankle, which helps us move our ankle like we're going up and down. So it helps flex the ankle. And that picture to the right, it actually has the arrow showing you exactly where the muscle is located. Lastly is my references. This is all the websites as well as the book that I use to get my information from. So that is it, you guys. I want to thank you, and you guys have a great day. Bye.